Have you seen the viral Moringa and Berberine Fat Burn shorts claiming they can burn stubborn fat, speed up metabolism, tighten loose skin, detox your body, and even deliver exercise-like results just by wearing them? If those promises sound almost too good to be true, you're definitely not alone. These shorts are heavily promoted using impressive scientific-sounding language, dramatic before and after photos, and bold claims that suggest effortless weight loss without changing your diet or activity level. After carefully examining the product and its marketing, there are several important details every potential buyer should know before spending money. While compression shorts can temporarily smooth body contours and provide support during daily activities or workouts, there is currently no reliable scientific evidence showing that simply wearing clothing infused with ingredients like moringa or berberine can directly burn body fat through skin contact or significantly increase metabolism. Many of the advertised benefits rely on vague technical terms and unsupported claims, rather than publicly available clinical research. Some promotional materials also feature doctor endorsements, laboratory testing references, and certification claims that are difficult to independently verify, making it important to approach the advertising with caution. In addition, many of the dramatic testimonials and transformation images circulating online appear highly edited or AI-generated, making it difficult to determine whether they represent genuine customer experiences. Another point worth considering is that products with a very similar appearance and design can often be found from wholesale suppliers at much lower prices. Despite being marketed online as exclusive breakthrough technology, the frequent countdown timers, limited time discounts, and aggressive sales tactics may also create unnecessary pressure to purchase quickly instead of making an informed decision. Overall, Moringa and Berberine Fat Burn shorts may function like regular compression shapewear, but the extraordinary fat burning and metabolism boosting claims are not supported by convincing scientific evidence. If you're considering buying them, it's wise to research carefully, set realistic expectations, and rely on proven long-term weight management strategies, rather than marketing promises that may sound far more impressive than the available evidence.